Every time a car moves, its wheels endure brutal impacts and spin thousands of times. What looks like an elegant metal ring is actually the result of extreme industrial engineering. The journey to create something incredibly strong but lightweight begins deep within the raw earth. It starts with a simple reddish rock called bauxite, the fundamental source of all aluminum. Geological teams carefully analyze core samples to find areas with the highest concentration of bauxite. These open-pit mines allow heavy machinery to extract the surface mineral with maximum efficiency. Massive haul trucks carry thousands of tons of bauxite ore away from the extraction site. But this raw reddish dirt is just a complex mixture of compounds, silica and iron. The heavy ore arrives at the refinery, ready to begin the intense journey of transformation. Massive steel crushers break the large bauxite boulders down into much smaller, easily processed fragments. Crushing the ore increases its surface area, making the upcoming chemical reactions significantly more efficient. The crushed rock travels along heavy conveyor belts toward the chemical processing sector of the refinery. Inside massive digestion tanks, the bauxite is mixed with a highly concentrated sodium hydroxide solution. This crucial leaching phase uses intense pressure and heat to dissolve the valuable alumina content. The target aluminum compound dissolves completely into the liquid while the unwanted impurities remain solid. Industrial filtration systems separate the thick mixture, removing a dense waste byproduct called red mud. This dense red mud contains all the heavy metals and iron oxides that cannot be used. What remains is a clean, highly concentrated sodium aluminate solution pumping through the facility pipes. The liquid solution goes through additional purification stages to eliminate any remaining trace microscopic impurities. Every detail matters here because even the smallest contamination can weaken the final automotive wheel. Through controlled cooling and careful precipitation, the liquid transforms into a pure, fine white alumina powder. This simple white alumina powder is the true starting point for creating solid metallic aluminum. Up to this point, everything has been preparation for the extreme stage of production. The alumina powder travels to a colossal industrial smelter where heat alone is not enough. To separate the metal, this facility relies on electrolysis, consuming unimaginable amounts of electrical energy. The powder is loaded into massive carbon-lined electrolytic cells operating at almost 1,000 degrees. Because alumina resists melting, it is blended with cryolite to lower its required fusion point. Once mixed, a continuous and extremely powerful electrical current is blasted straight through the cells. This immense electrical force shatters the chemical bonds, forcing the oxygen and aluminum to separate. The heavy, pure liquid aluminum slowly sinks and pools at the bottom of the cell. Meanwhile, the separated oxygen simply bubbles to the surface and is safely vented away as gas. This vital transformation consumes so much power that smelters often require dedicated hydroelectric dams nearby. Each individual cell operates like a giant battery, connected in series with hundreds of others. The magnetic fields here are so intense that objects nearby can behave in strange ways. Workers must maintain precise control, tapping the glowing liquid metal safely from the smelting pots. But pure liquid aluminum is still too soft to withstand the demands of a moving vehicle. The glowing molten metal is transported directly to the specialized foundry for advanced alloy mixing. Inside heavy industrial furnaces, the liquid is maintained at temperatures well over 700 degrees. Before pouring, workers must actively remove invisible trapped gases that could severely weaken the structure. Argon gas is pumped directly into the molten bath to force out dangerous hydrogen bubbles. This critical degassing procedure permanently reduces porosity and drastically increases the density of the material. Next, specialized technicians add exact measurements of magnesium and titanium to the glowing liquid bath. These specific elemental additions increase the structural resistance, flexibility, and overall durability of the alloy. A chemical flux is also introduced to attract any lingering micro-impurities straight to the surface. Workers carefully skim this floating dross away, leaving behind a perfectly homogeneous and pristine alloy. This refined mixture represents the perfect balance of lightweight agility and heavy impact resistance. The custom alloy is continuously tested by technicians to ensure absolute chemical perfection before casting. Finally, this pristine, glowing liquid metal is fully prepared to take the shape of a wheel. As the first cut bites down, the dull bray casting reveals a brilliant, mirror-like aluminum finish. Advanced 5-axis milling machines operate with absolute precision, carving complex geometric spoke patterns seamlessly. Every spoke and opening must be meticulously engineered to optimize brake ventilation and minimize weight. In high-performance vehicles, reducing even a single kilogram of rotating mass drastically improves handling. Every single dimension is checked down to the micrometer, ensuring a flawless fit on the vehicle. To prevent overheating during extreme operation, a constant flood of synthetic fluid cools the tools. After extensive machining, the raw wheel has shed significant weight while gaining incredible structural precision. But not every wheel survives the rigorous process. Extreme safety testing eliminates any hidden flaws. Initial visual inspections check for cracks, deformations, or surface imperfections that fail safety standards. To uncover invisible defects, wheels are pressurized and completely submerged in specialized testing tanks. A single microscopic bubble can lead to a catastrophic structural failure when a vehicle is moving. Once fully approved, the wheels move into the final stage of surface finishing and protection. A base primer coat is applied, followed by a vibrant color coat tailored to specific designs. Finally, a transparent protective clear coat is sealed across the entire structure to prevent environmental corrosion. What started as a simple red rock deep within the earth is now a masterful automotive component. The completed wheel is now a piece of fine engineering built to support tons of weight. It will resist brutal road impacts and turn flawlessly thousands of times per minute. Every automotive wheel is a direct result of a process combining chemistry and extreme energy. Absolute precision and total quality control are demanded at every single stage of production. From the raw extraction of bauxite through complex chemical refinement to extreme electrical smelting, everything is executed with a single objective: to create a lightweight yet incredibly durable wheel. Though we see these wheels every day, we rarely stop to consider the massive process behind them. The next time you see a vehicle in motion, remember that every rotation is the result of engineering. If you're fascinated by how these incredible components are manufactured, subscribe to the channel for more. The production journey requires absolute synergy between raw extraction, chemical synthesis, and precision automation. Every single wheel is permanently marked with its own unique identity, tracking data, and factory origin. To ensure the pristine paint finish survives international transport, protective measures are applied immediately. An ultra-clear protective film is sealed over the glossy face, shielding it from dust. Automated handling systems smoothly lower the heavy aluminum wheel into its custom reinforced cardboard enclosure. The final branded touch is added to the retail package, completing the official manufacturing cycle. Reinforced shipping boxes are sealed securely with heavy industrial adhesive tape to withstand long-distance transit. Colossal robotic arms lift the heavy sealed boxes, stacking them in perfect geometric patterns onto transport pallets. The fully loaded shipping pallets are wrapped in tight layers of industrial plastic film for absolute stability. Skilled logistics operators transport the secure cargo across the vast, hyper-organized distribution warehouse floor. Every pallet is tracked in real time, using automated inventory systems to guarantee flawless distribution tracking. The cargo moves toward the active shipping bays, where massive freight trailers await global distribution. Colossal multi-ton logistics trailers are packed with mathematical efficiency to maximize fuel and transport performance. Heavy-duty logistics straps are locked into place, ensuring the premium wheels remain completely secure. The massive shipping container is locked and sealed under federal transport standards before departure. With the cargo fully secured and sealed, the heavy transport vehicle prepares to hit the open highway. A massive fleet of shipping trucks departs the manufacturing plant, heading toward retail networks globally. These premium aluminum components travel thousands of miles across national highway networks with absolute tracking security. The transport convoy arrives at a regional distribution
Skilled logistics
megahub,
operators
the central
transport the
gateway to
secure
retail
cargo
networks.
across the vast,
High-speed logistics
hyper-organized
teams unload the
distribution
freight,
warehouse
transferring
floor.
the sealed stacks
Every
directly
pallet
to
is
automated
tracked in real
inventory
time
racks.
using automated
Advanced automated
inventory
storage
systems
systems
to
lift the
guarantee
cargo,
flawless
placing it into
distribution tracking.
high-density vertical inventory
The
sectors
cargo moves
flawlessly.
toward the active shipping
Individual
bays,
retail orders
where
are
massive
automatically
freight trailers
retrieved,
await
preparing
global
the premium
distribution.
wheels for direct shipment to boutique dealers.
Colossal
The packages are
multi-ton
transferred
logistics
directly to
trailers are
local
packed
delivery
with
fleets,
mathematical radical
ensuring rapid
efficiency to
dispatch
maximize
commercial tire
fuel and
centers.
transport
The
performance.
delivery fleet cuts through
Heavy-duty
busy
logistics
metropolitan
straps
streets,
are locked into
carrying the
place,
finished product
ensuring
to
the
its retail
premium wheels
destination.
remain
The
completely
journey
secure.
from raw underground rock to high-end automotive
The
masterpiece
massive shipping
reaches its
container is
final
locked
retail
and sealed
destination.
under federal
The retail
transport
package is
standards
officially
before
signed
departure.
off, ready to be fitted onto a waiting
With the
vehicle.
cargo fully
The moment
secured
of
and sealed,
anticipation arrives
the
as
heavy
retail
transport
package is
vehicle
opened,
prepares to hit
revealing
the open
engineering
highway.
masterpiece within. The
A
ultra-clear
massive
protective
fleet of
film
shipping
is
trucks
smoothly
departs the
removed, exposing
manufacturing
the flawless,
plant,
diamond-hard
heading toward
metallic
retail
clear
networks
coat.
globally.
For the first time, the completed
These
automotive
premium
wheel
aluminum
is fully
components
lifted
travel
from its
thousands of
protective
miles
manufacturing
across
packaging.
national highway
The
networks
mirror chrome
with
center
absolute
cap
tracking
emblem is pressed
security.
into place.
High-speed
completing the
logistics
premium
teams
brand
unload
aesthetic
the
layout.
freight, transferring the sealed stacks directly to automated inventory racks.
Advanced automated storage systems lift the cargo, placing it into high-density vertical inventory sectors flawlessly. Individual retail orders are automatically retrued, preparing the premium wheels for direct shipment to boutique dealers. The packages are transferred directly to local delivery fleets, ensuring rapid dispatch to commercial tire centers. The delivery fleet cuts through busy metropolitan streets, carrying the finished product to its retail destination.
The journey from raw underground rock to high-end automotive masterpiece reaches its final retail destination. All right, welcome to the shop.
The retail package is officially signed off, ready to be fitted onto a waiting vehicle. The moment of anticipation arrives as the retail package is opened, revealing the engineering masterpiece within. The ultra-clear protective film is smoothly removed, exposing the flawless, diamond-hard metallic silver clear coat. For the first time, the completed automotive wheel is fully lifted from its protective manufacturing packaging.
The mirror chrome center cap emblem is pressed into place, completing the premium brand aesthetic layout.
Advanced automated tire machines mount the rubber compound, sealing it tightly against the machined aluminum bead profile.
Compressed air violently inflates the tire, forcing the rubber to lock into the machined seat with immense force.
The complete wheel assembly is checked on digital balancing systems to ensure a perfectly smooth ride. Tiny zinc balance weights are adhered inside the wheel barrel, achieving absolute rotational equilibrium. A premium performance sports car is lifted onto service lifts, waiting to receive its new wheels. The completed wheel and tire assembly is carefully aligned onto the vehicle's high-performance hub assembly. Every lug bolt is hand-threaded first to absolutely prevent any cross-threading damage to the aluminum pockets. A digital high-torque pneumatic wrench secures the bolts, tightening them in a precise star sequence pattern. The final absolute security check is performed using manual click torque wrenches calibrated to exact factory specifications. Advanced digital alignment lasers scan the wheel geometry, ensuring absolute driving stability and tire longevity. A specialized protective detailing spray is applied to the tire sidewall, completing the premium presentation. The completed performance vehicle is slowly lowered from the service lifts, ready to return to the streets. The high-performance sports engine roars to life, sending a surge of raw mechanical energy through the drivetrain.
The brand new precision-engineered wheels turn slowly for the first time, exiting the facility flawlessly.
On the open road, the lightweight aluminum alloy provides unmatched handling, strength, and structural impact resilience. Every single turn of the wheel is the direct result of chemistry, extreme energy, and absolute engineering pride.